Axie Infinity, guys, currently trading at $26.83. It's up almost 42%. Currently ranked number 43 on 580,000 watch list, guys. Market cap of 1.6 billion. Now this is a gaming cryptocurrency, guys. So if you guys want to get part of this crypto, make sure you guys check out the list. It's on Binance, FTX, Coinbase Exchange, BitThumb, let me see, Get.io, KuCoin, Kraken. I mean, it's almost everything. It's in the top 100, so it's going to pretty much be on every single platform. So you guys can trade. You can also, you know, cast positions, stuff like that. So let's check out their website, guys. Here's AxieInfinity.com. If you guys want to check out their website, check out their game, check out the stuff like that, read the white paper, please try it out, guys. Also, if you guys want me to do a gameplay and how this works, just let me know in the comments below. But let's head to the Twitter page, guys. So Twitter is sitting at almost 1 million followers. Let's see if you want some updated news. Let's check out their website, check out the Twitter page, guys. It's usually where I go for almost all my cryptos. I go to Twitter, check out their stuff. But let's get to that price prediction, guys. So Axie Infinity has been taking a nosedive since like $161 since their high of $171, and just been nosediving from there. Now, in my opinion, guys, I think that this is temporary. I think this push up that it has right here is all temporary, and this is why I think that the price will be going ultimately. This zone right here. So I think that temporarily it's going to be going up, but I think this is a pullback in the overall trend. People are going to be buying, pushing it up, but then the shorts are going to come in, the exiting of those buys are going to come in, and then it's going to collapse even lower. So I think a lot of these cryptocurrencies that are going up are just temporary. It's temporary moving up. So even like for me, I did my Bitcoin trade and it's currently up. I just locked in the profits, moved my stop loss above it, and let it run. If it goes up, fine. If it doesn't, knocks me out of my trade, I'm happy. Either way is a win-win. So, but when it comes to Axie Infinity, guys, this crypto I think is going to be heading to about $4. Let me see, make it easy. $4.75. I think that's the target zone. I think it's going to pull up right here and then ultimately go back down. This is a retracement in the overall trend. And then if I was going to get into cryptocurrency, again, I'll wait for it to build up more orders, and then I will look at buying to see if it would, you know, reverse that and reverse this trend. But guys, that's my analysis. My price prediction, guys, once again, $4.75. If any questions or comments how I came to that conclusion, just drop it in the description box. I'm sorry, the comment box below, and we can have like discussion about it. But guys, let's head to my website, Mcclendon.com. You guys want to learn more about indicators, custom indicators, if you guys want one. I do create them, and EAs. Also, if you guys want to do more MetaTrader 4 and 5 web trading, I have it available. Stocks, cryptocurrencies, economy stuff, basically, which you need to learn how to trade and get into stuff like that. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys on the